In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to the Shopify app. Getting your payment method set up correctly is one of the most important steps in running an online store. Without it, your customers won't be able to pay you, and your checkout experience can feel incomplete or even untrustworthy. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process inside the Shopify dashboard, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. You can do this in a browser on your computer or on a mobile device, as long as you're logged into your store. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of the core controls for your store, including payments, billing, and store details. Inside the settings page, you'll see a list of different sections. Find the one labeled payments and click on it. This payments area is where you manage how your customers can pay at checkout, which payment providers you use, and how funds are processed and sent to you. On the payments page, you might see Shopify Payments as an option. However, Shopify Payments is not available in every country, and sometimes you may prefer to use a different provider that better suits your business, your customers, or your region. If Shopify Payments is not available to you, or you simply want to add another provider, look for the button that says Add Payment Method and click on it. A new panel will open, giving you different ways to find the payment method you want to use. One way is to search by payment method. For example, you can type in card brands like MasterCard or Visa to see providers that support those options. This is useful if you know what types of cards or payment options your customers prefer. Alternatively, you can search by provider. Click on the option to search by provider, then start typing the name of a payment gateway you already use or have researched, such as Paystack or others that operate in your region. Shopify will show you a list of matching providers that you can connect to your store. Once you've decided which payment method or provider you want to use, click on it. You'll see an option to install or add this payment method to your store. Click Install, and Shopify will guide you through a quick setup process. This usually involves connecting your account with that provider, agreeing to any terms, and confirming a few details like currencies and regions. After you complete that guided setup, your new payment method will be active and available for customers at checkout. Always remember to run a test order to make sure everything is working smoothly before you start sending real traffic to your store.